Hello, and this box came from Beko1987 on YouTube, also known as Sam. It has a Hoover Junior inside that I'm excited to see in person. Now, if you don't subscribe to Sam's channel already, I would say you should. It has consistent uploads and has quite a range of very helpful videos to do with vacuums. You might want to do one on how to open a box for me, but that's probably a user error. It does a lot of videos that will help you refurbish vacuum cleaners on your own. And he's a really lovely guy. He'll answer questions no matter how stupid or silly they might seem. And given that I'm pretty much a newbie to all of this, he's been great at answering just about any question under the sun that I've had to ask. Wasn't an exciting note. Okay, now is this enough to open it? Or are we held down elsewhere? We are indeed. It was Sam's channel and Dorian at Hoover that pretty much got me into collecting vacuum cleaners. Oh. Special bag. And this is a very pretty outer bag that first drew my attention to this machine. It is just lovely. Now he did say that there would be some, we're already attached on that one, okay. There might be some putting together, which I'm planning to make my husband do, who's helpfully holding my tablet at the moment. Don't know what this is. It's a thing. I've got to be careful. I'm well known to have broken things before we make it out the bubble wrap. Including a laptop once. It's a thing. We're going with it's a thing. This is a handle. I wasn't joking when they said assembly required. Oh, a bag holder. I'll put my scissors down for a minute. Let me move things to a realm of safety. I've survived this long, don't need me to bugger them up. Okay. Attached there. Did you lose a screwdriver, Sam? Doesn't look special, so I'm assuming it was by accident. pass the parcel, but I'm the only one playing. Oh, nearly there. Okay, we have a Hoover. And there she is. Hoover Junior. Well, I suspect the screwdriver might be put in on purpose. Maybe. Right, I think now's the time to hand over to Paul, who will put it together. Let's trade off on the tablet. I'll let him next to a shark. A shark that's currently holding lots of natural dirt in order to do some mess test videos. Old dog here from downstairs. One run of our downstairs fills a shark because the dog is that much here. What are you missing there, Paul? I've got two things here and a screwdriver. What are you after your toolkit? No? Yeah, this is the whole Paul sorts out screwdrivers. This is my second shark. I actually plan to do some comparisons with this machine and the first one I got. Now the first one I got first hand. This one was said to be barely used, but don't quite believe that given the dirt on the filter. But we're going to see how they do against one another. Anyway, we're back in with some screwing action. It's all very exciting. Don't mind me, I'm just enthralled by the screwing going on. Do have to say it's nearly 5 o'clock in the morning, so the witty chatter isn't quite as prominent. Could have waited till daytime to do this, but currently in quite a lot of pain, so I was upright and decided to do it. Back to Sam's screwdriver. I do assume now that I left it in on purpose. I'm really excited, having seen this machine in pictures, to actually having it adding to my small collection of Hoover Juniors. I'm not sure what that does. I've just got a bag and the internal bag, so that'll go inside that. So yeah, this will be the 1, 2. It'll be the 4th Junior. You should get everything's right under here. The bag clip. And I used to lose that. You got it? Had it been chucked? Yes, this is 4th Junior. The 119 is nearly 70 years old, and the other 2 are from the 70s that aren't original. And I've also got a Hoover turbo light sitting over there as well. Not putting the bag on it. Alright, that's something. I still like to add one of the turbo powered bagged Hoovers from the 90s to my assortment. Though out of them all, the 119 does the best. It's reliable, it just keeps on going. And only cost 20 quid, which was a bargain. You see up just behind for all the Kirby bits and pieces. I do love my Kirby's, but part of the issue with them is all the stuff that comes with them. It feels great value on your first Kirby. On your second, you're still like, wow, all these brushes. On your third, you're like, shit, where am I going to put them? And on your fourth, you're just like, stick them in the corner. Currently, my G7 Kirby, the one with the best tail out of all of them, is dead. I'm with a friend hoping to find out what's wrong with it.
Oops.
The bag on upside down.
Cable should have went through first.
Ah. Is that problematic? Problematic enough to pause and come back in a part 2. Well, as you go, folks. As I said, I'm pretty much a newbie, and my husband is just volunteered by me into helping, and is also a newbie at these things. A forced newbie, but a newbie. I think we'll stop here because there's more and more screws ending up out, and we'll come back in a part 2.
Leave it on.
Leave
it on.
Oh no, you sure? Okay. We'll stick with it. I haven't made the videos up because I've been having a bad time with pain wise, but I'm hopeful to start tearing apart the DC25 that I've got, as it desperately needs a clean and it smells awful. I also need to get the Charles that I've got sitting in the hall in. It lived in a shed, and it gives me the fear that it's full of spiders. I found some webs. But I'll just have to have my Kirby hose ready. This is the 33rd vacuum cleaner in this house. and the 34th that I won. As the Wax Essentials was sold last week. A lot of machines haven't been seen because they don't work. A couple need belts, and that's why it's nearly been a rotation of the same machines going around. There's a couple more photos to get going. We've got a bagless Morphe Richards out there that has to be about 25 kilograms. It is so heavy. And I think it comes from the point where bagless were just coming in. Dyson were the first to have the cylinder naked. And on this Morphe Richards, the cylinder's hidden. Unfortunately, it looks like the belt's broken on it. And it's such an awkward, heavy machine. There can't be that many still in use. Oh, focus on, go back. There's the back on for the second time. There's a bit of non-cooperation going on. just realised I changed the orientation of this midway through. I'm hoping won't cause a problem. But you never know. It's for here. Mystery piece. This bit is okay. Really should have sent us instructions.
Definitely goes with.
Although we're almost there, I'm going
We'll
to
just leave it. Then you can see if it works.
do a quick trial because at the end of the video I'll have to restart again. So we'll plug it in, just make sure it starts, and then I'll come back for a part 2. I bet yes. Okay. Pausing for here. Back for a part 2. Bye.